Now talk about a rare moment of truth from New Delhi as an Indian defense official has finally admitted what Pakistan has long maintained, and the entire world has reported that Indian fighter jets were shot down by Pakistan Air Force during the intense air battle that took place on the 7th of May 2025. Speaking at a defense seminar in Jakarta, Captain Shiv Kumar, who's India's defense attaché, he confessed that we did lose some aircraft. This confession is a huge cemented evidence of what actually Pakistan achieved on the 7th of May, where it actually left India red-faced in front of the world. And slides at the event suggested that India lost 3 Rafales, 1 Sukhoi 30 and 1 MiG-29. These losses have been concealed until now, but now are being confirmed by India's own military. Kumar blamed the losses not on the Indian Air Force, but on political restrictions from India's leadership, which had barred strikes on Pakistan's military and air defenses, according to him. That this actually left Indian jets vulnerable, and Pakistan's Air Force seized the moment, shooting down multiple aircraft in a single night. And this was a humiliation for India that India will continue to actually bear till the rest of this world. And this revelation has actually triggered backlash in India, with critics accusing the Modi government of misleading the public. And actually, that is what has been the